Nothing matters until I have my water under control. These are the words that drive us. At Aero Tech, we have a passion for water management. We use cutting-edge technology to make foundational field improvements and increase farming efficiency and yields. But drainage projects aren't always simple, and if you want to have a great result, you need to have great information. We believe in using the right tool for the job, and for drainage planning, nothing beats a drone. Our survey-grade UAVs map every square inch of a field with speed and precision, with only a half hour needed to collect 60 million data points. And at just a few dollars an acre, drones provide the perfect blend of speed, accuracy, and affordability. After we have finished flying your field, our world-class development team gets to work. Processing raw data into usable information is the key to using drones successfully, and we are proud to provide information that is accurate, easy to understand, and easy to use. To help you get the most out of your drainage project, we have developed a convenient online platform to help you analyze your fields and plan out your projects. With the ability to easily review elevation profiles as well as drainage analysis showing natural sinks and water flow pathways, you can quickly and easily identify problem areas and solutions. We also provide powerful tools to help plan drainage projects. For instance, the elevation profile tool allows you to visualize the most efficient drainage pathway in the field. By knowing which line requires the least amount of ditching or scraping, you can get better results with much less work. Our maps can also be used in third-party software for doing advanced tile drainage design or in machine control applications. The easy-to-use information can also be utilized in the field with a GPS-equipped tablet or by loading information directly into your tractor monitor. So let's get your water under control. With the Aero Tech Advantage, you can build a drainage project that takes less time in the field and delivers better results on the first try. With benefits from decreased standing water to increased yields, you have an investment that will deliver returns both now and for generations to come.